Good day. Today, I'm going to present our research paper titled Foliar Fertilizer Improve Proof Set and Yield of Cayenne Pepper Capsicum Protescence L Ground Off Season. My name is Komang Damarjaya, and I'm representing my other colleagues here, Hairina Umami, Muhammad Zainal Arifin, Dwi Rana Nugrahwati, and by Erna Listiana. All of us come from Faculty of Agriculture, University of Mataram. For the introduction of our research paper, that cayenne pepper availability and price fluctuate depending on the season. As you all aware that during the rainy season, the price and the production is very low and the price is very high. That's why the dryland has a great opportunity to produce cayenne pepper during the rainy season, which usually we call as off-season production. However, one of the problems in growing cayenne pepper off-season is the flower abortion due to the heavy rainfall. Earlier studies suggest that organic foliar fertilizer reduces the percentage of flower abortion. Therefore, the purpose of the study was to study the effect of some foliar fertilizer on fruit set and yield of two cayenne pepper varieties grown off-season in dryland. For the material and method, we tested two varieties of cayenne pepper, an open pollinated one with the commercial name Shred, and a hybrid variety. The commercial name is Dewata 43. We tested 4 foliar fertilizer treatment plus 1 without foliar fertilizer. The foliar fertilizer tested were organic biofertilizer with the commercial name POMI, a mix of silicate and boron, the commercial name XO, micronutrient foliar fertilizer with commercial name Merauke Phytoplex, and a mix of macro and micronutrients, the commercial name is Bifolan. All the treatment were arranged in a randomized block design with factorial with 3 replication. Each plot size, and here the 6 square meter, and there were 22 plants per plots. The experiment ran during the rainy season from October 2021 to March 2022. The soil characteristic, especially the chemical properties, is as this: the pH quite neutral, the organic and nitrogenous very low, even though P availability high, the potassium exchange moderate, but we consider the soil is poor in nutrients, and the texture was sandy loam. The result of the studies, when we measured the environment parameters, the average maximum was 33.4, the minimum 24.5, relative humidity maximum 87.5%, the minimum 55%, and the total rainfall quite high, 1,118 millimeters. So all these parameters suggest that the cayenne pepper got a very good condition to grow. However, in terms of the rainfall, we transplanted on the 28th November, and the final harvest up to the 5th harvest for both Dewata and Shred, which is Shred, 5th final harvest was later. In this period, the rainfall was scattered and rare. That's why we had to water the plant once in the first week of January. For the results in here, we found out that the plant height is the open pollinated one genetically is taller and larger diameter, but the leaf number much more in hybrid variety. However, the size of the lip of the open pollinated one is much larger than the hybrid one. For the effect of foliar fertilizer, as we can see in here, the bioorganic and silicon improve the plant height, but not the micronutrient and mixed nutrient, because it's showing the same result as the non-foliar fertilizer treated plant. No difference in leaf number, and then for the stem diameter, still the bioorganic foliar fertilizer showed the best results. The performance of the cayenne pepper in the field. And for the fruit set, the fruit set in here, as we can see, that no difference was found between the two hybrid variety, but with foliar fertilizer treatment, we can see here that all the foliar fertilizer showed better result than the no foliar fertilizer treatment, which is the best we found in bioorganic foliar fertilizer. For the number of fruits, and then the same, the bioorganic was the best, the weight of fruit per plant, along with the weight of fruit per plot. The correlation between fruit set and fruit weight per plot was strong, only 0.7, but not really strong. This is due to some pest attack that we found in the field. We found that some fruit of the cayenne pepper were attacked by fruit flies, the oriental fruit fly, as we can see in here, the sign of the fruit fly already laid egg inside the fruit. For the conclusion of the study, that's no interaction between variety and foliar fertilizer affected fruit set and yield of cayenne pepper grown off-season in dryland. The fruit set in hybrid and open pollinated variety was the same, but the hybrid variety yielded more than the open pollinated one. All foliar fertilizer improved fruit set, but only the bioorganic fertilizer improved the yield of cayenne pepper. That's the result of our study. Thank you very much for your attention.